loves, so today we are going to play with the Shayla X Colourpop Collection. Girl, I'm so excited. This palette looks so amazing. So amazing. So let's jump into this. Guys, I've already done my foundation. I'm wearing the Revolution Beauty Fast Base Thick Foundation, if I can speak, in F1. And then I have the Conceal and Define concealers in white and C0.5 under my eyes. It's looking a little light, but once we have the rest of our makeup on, we'll be good. So we're just gonna use the palette. We'll definitely use some lip products. I believe the highlighters are too dark, but we'll see those in the swatch video. So you probably already did. So I'm sure that the swatch video is gonna go up before this tutorial. So I will link that down below or up in the cards. So this is the palette, this guy. We're gonna use Culture just as our transition shade to start. I think I'm gonna bring you in a little closer so you can really see what's going on. And I'm just gonna buff that. Oh, that looks much more orange on my eye than I expected it to. Wow, okay, well this look is going in a different direction. I thought it was gonna be like just a very neutral brown. Like it looks a little warm, but it looks pretty orange on me. So I'm just buffing that all around. Outer corner and inner corner. I actually think I wanna go with Revenge, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use my little Anastasia brush. These come in the palettes. I'm just gonna put that right up in the crease area and blend. Sorry, my bangs are crazy. I straightened them and they're crazy. I was going with my first shade as my transition shade and just kind of blow it out all over the crease from like my actual crease all the way like up here. So I use that big fluffy brush, then I go in with a smaller brush and kind of pinpoint my crease to give it some more definition. But again, new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we're trying to get as many videos out as we can. I think I want to define the crease even more. So I think we're going to go in with Played Out, which is this guy right here. I think we're going to use this little pencil brush. So I'm just going to place it with this pencil brush and then go back and blend it. I'm just taking a clean blending brush and kind of buffing that in. We're gonna do a cut crease with concealer. I don't even know the last time I did this. I have this really busted little flat brush, don't judge me. Been a minute, so let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna use some of the white concealer from Revolution and cut my crease a little bit. I feel like that looks horrible right now, but we're just gonna keep going with it. Before that concealer dries, I'm gonna go in with Sassy, which is like this duochrome one right here. Just gonna pop that on. Oh girl. It's mostly just gonna make it stand out since it's not a super bright shade. It's not gonna look too much like a cut crease now, but we're just gonna go with this. I think I'm also gonna try applying it damp, so I'm just gonna switch the shadow brush. I think I'm gonna try Spill the Tea first, this one, and if not, then we'll go in with Unbothered. Gotta use that Unbothered shade, it's beautiful. Pop it right on the center. That just made it look more brown. That was a mistake. Let's try Unbothered instead. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up with some Ghost Powder. Ghost Powder from Revolution Beauty. I'm just gonna put a little Ghost Powder on my brow bone because there's not a matte highlight shade and I don't really do a shimmery brow bone usually. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and I just let that sit for just a moment. That really wasn't on there long, but that helps clean it up. Okay, let's do the bottom lash line. Ooh, I have this Monster Ardency In liner in True Blue. I don't know if I've used this. I probably have. But we're gonna put this on the lower lash line before we put that blue color on because I want it to be like poppin'. We're gonna go into 14, that blue shade, and buff that on the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Unbothered, that white shade, in the inner corner. I think I'm gonna put just the tiniest bit of, what are you, September? This one on the lower lash line as well. Just right in here. I almost want to put some glitter on. I feel like I need some glitter. Revolution Pro glitters. I think I want to use a tiny bit of this guy. This is the Glisten Up set. I think I'm just gonna try tapping it on, seeing like how that goes. It turns super green on the eye. So I can get some of that off of there. I'm hoping that's not gonna fall all over my face, because I always recommend using a glitter glue. Put down the glitter. Per usual, I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula liner and just do a wing. Since there is glitter on my lid, I'll probably go over it with my NYX liquid liner. I'm gonna go do my mascara and be right back. I think the lashes I wanna wear are these ones. They're dramatic. They're not super long, but they're super fluffy. These are Dashin from Koko lashes. So I'm gonna pop these guys on. I'm gonna take a little bit of this glitter from Collection. I bought this when I was in London and I've never even used it. So we're just gonna, I think I wanna put just a tiny bit under my eye, just in the center maybe, right here. In the center. I'm just gonna tap a little bit, like on top. I'm gonna regret this. Just right there. I'm gonna try and blend it a little bit with the other glitter. Man, I haven't used this in so long. Let's use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. We're gonna go in with this guy right here. Let's use my Carity brush, which is the F21. We can see the glow from that foundation. Yes. Wow, this packaging is beautiful. Look at this. So cute. Don't think there's any way are going to work for me. So I'm just gonna use, I think Lustre Dust Strobe Glow. Let's just use some Strobe Glow because you know your girl loves it. So I'm gonna use my Pretty Vulgar Hush Blush. Just a little, as light as I can. This thing is super pigmented. So just like one tap in, just a little. All right, now highlighting. We are just gonna use the Strobe Glow Lustre Dust. My face looks a little patchy. I don't know. I haven't used that Anastasia contour in a long time. Not that I'm saying that that's what it is, but I don't know. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. We need to get some lips on, girl. Ooh, I don't even know which one I want to use. This is Quickie. I think I'm gonna like Quickie. Colourpop liner in Birdy. Let's use this. As always, overlining my wonky lip. Okay, and then we're gonna go with Quickie. And then I definitely want to use this gloss in here. Girl, it looks beautiful. Packaging. I can't with this packaging. It's so cute. Neat Freak. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Ultra glossy lip. All right, love, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Do let me know what kind of tutorial and what kind of videos you want to see next here on my channel. As always, there are videos now Monday, Wednesday, Friday, all sorts of things that you want to see, because now making myself upload 3 times a week, you will be able to get much more videos and more diversity, and it won't be the same thing all the time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, because we all know that YouTube does not like to send notifications. Ever. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'm just going to drop my brush. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop my brush, but I just got my nail in that. I think I'm gonna use one of the Revolution Pro. Oh, no, it's not where I want you to go. Apparently it wants to be right there. Why do you want to be up there? I don't understand. I know a few of it. Whoa. Your boob pops out of your bra. What is that? think I look like a Seahawks eye right now. Ooh. Okay. I don't know, I'm looking like a hot mess today. It's cool. I always spritz my brush with the Lustre dust. Whoa, who dat? I have lipstick on my teeth. I need to blot.